Welcome back to Pump Info News. Here where would they bring you ogbenge news as it dey happen. Can't see the one where would they see now? They say that the one Igbo man, they say the man don't check how he go take go buy car when go take support him business. Now he say no, that he go build his own car from scratch. Can't see you. This our brother go construct a own pattern of car from scratch. Everything you see here is he build it from scratch, and this is the result of his hard work. And the car he built is now serving him in his business. My people, you see, creative is very important, and I believe that every human being on this planet Earth, you have your own wisdom. You have what God give you. You have your own talent. It's for you to calm down and discover your talent and bring it out to the world. Do you know that this car now that this our brother built, more people will be meeting him? Please, I want to have this same car. Let me also use it to support my own brand, their own business. So now, from here now, it may be so, okay, let me build another one. From building another one, he have started his own brand, because people really need this kind of car right now to support their small business, to move around, to carry things, So I did not come outside with own solution. From bringing his own solution, is not bringing a solution of other people. So this is where the creative come inside. So from today, try as much as you can to discover your own talent. Try as much as can. So now I want to play the video for you to watch.
This motor in Afuna Bokwa, one young guy, Jaka Welo Motor. According to him, this car in Afaba Bo Machine Kobunji Machine Njim Machine Koji Riheni knife for now, Loy Penny na Ojele Pure Water. Look at it here. Look at it. If I before one of our brother Jenny Pure Water. Young one pan, low everything. Just low anything like this. Nah, no be smart. Njim Machine Oji Pure Water. Mataya follow. Young one till everything. A brother, Kadoli. Come. Look at it. Young one, everything in the fly by this boy here. Young one, all those things. Bia can juggle. Ezo kuna nje machine kemo ibabu. Is it? CG 250. Go bu. 250.
Yeah.
So can juggle. So this motor now, engine machine. Well, go so even in my grass, everything
from scratch, no good.
Okay, go build all those things Nina with engine machine.
Yeah.
Loy Nina like this, or do like this.
Today, I do drive test. So
Yes, sir?
that I'm around on drive test.
On
Drive test. So today the first day in I can test, I can manage the capacity. So 150 bags of pure water can do.
Okay, 150 bags of pure water.
I hope you are new boss, man. Hope you are new boss, man. 10 years.
10 years.
Yes. Because Obu car gearbox. So he move with car transmission. He and I kamoto.
Okay, I can anya kamoto.
Then the machine side about the auxiliary. So 5 years from the car gearbox and 5 years for the motorcycle engine. So 10 years. So 5 with a high gear and 5 with a normal movement gear.
Nah, no be smart, How about this guy this motor in half now? Young one motor GNA Buhari pure water. Young one motor iPhone now from A to Z. If any knife from motor, this guy Jaka lower this thing for now. Do you see what this guy build? Nah, be kono okay, Ebony State. Mani be no Anambra State.
Yeah, I'm on the local government.
On the local government. Nah, Ebony State.
Yeah.
Mani be no ba.
Yeah, Mbanese.
Huh?
Mbanese is.
Okay, Kisi. Nah, no be smart, Nah, Chineke gozie ndị Igbo. Never this guy lolo. Oji engine machine de ko kwuru where ya nwa Jaka lo hwe ni na fly bar. Lord, this is GNL pure water. Look at. Yanwalu ihe niile ma gear. No, this guy's really far, ma gear, ma everything. Nah, no be smart, you know. Do you see? If you go, Chineke goes in the Igbo, Chineke nye Igbo talent. Look at it. Yanwajaka ma pan nina, ma everything, ma tire. Yanwajaka low if ni na ifo laba. Low all these things with the sons no be engine machine. Go engine machine well if ni na. Aka maga back I interview because noise there about too much. Aka maga back me interview. Chineke goes in the Igbo. They can watch video. Make sure that you share this video. This our brother, in fact, my tire, everything. You know this guy's very easy now. My blank. Ha! Now not be smart, you know. So they can watch the video. They can watch the video. Please share this video. I will still go to his house and do him interview. Makano is the driver. From A to Z, dio, Moako. My fan a future milk and millionaires. My steering no. Then what you got here in a feast here with engine machine or lose tele. He just go and lose engine machine. Well, a lawyer in iPhone. In fact, Chineke goes in Igbo, and then they couldn't need to help. Now this kind of people now alone couldn't need help. Where this kind of talent? They got the talent. This guy well Lord motor like this. Eh? Well, engine machine. Well, Lord motor like this. If I bought money with talent. Open up at this guy now. If for the government he can speak here, but look at what he build. Many people can feel I don't care. If you go, my God bless the Igbos. I come back, I may interview and take your number. They can watch video, share this video. This kind of this the mother need to help this guy to promote him. This guy need to promote, only need to help. Yes. Share this video and I will still go to your house and
You still there for Pump Info News, my wonderful people. You don't see how God take bless the Igbos. And I want every young Igbo to, from today, do not be deceived or do not lure into crime by what you are seeing in the street, especially this December. You will see people coming with convoy. You see people coming in different forms. You will see people coming. All these things should not bother you. What you should focus right now is you to think something that you will start from scratch. Give yourself 5 years. Anything you are doing, don't be in rush. Don't be rushed to get it today, tomorrow. Always give yourself 5 years and look, doing that thing, the kind fruit that thing will bear to you before you start complaining. So discover your talent and use that your talent to shine to the world. This is the secret of the white people. Please share this video and make sure say they follow this page and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates.